Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program a Toyota Sienna garage door opener. Begin by parking close to the garage opener and turning the ignition to accessory. Remove the home link cover and clear any previous settings by holding the two outer buttons. Keep the remote and the motor unit within reach and read the vehicle manual tone prompts carefully to confirm each programming step as we proceed together. Start by pressing and holding the chosen home link button until the indicator light blinks slowly, then release. Next, press and hold your garage remote button while pressing the home link button until the indicator blinks rapidly, indicating a successful code transfer. If the opener uses rolling codes, briefly press the motor unit learn button and then return to the vehicle to complete synchronization by pressing the programmed home link button twice more. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more how-to videos. Quick recommendation: I enjoy The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can truly change how you think about money, because saving for garage upgrades and vehicle upkeep becomes easier with a smart plan. Check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel, and now let's get back to the video. If programming fails, start over and follow each step slowly to ensure the vehicle and opener communicate. Weak remote batteries often cause missed signals, so swap batteries when in doubt. For openers with rolling codes, pressing the motor unit learn button is essential before finalizing the home link sync. If problems persist, try reinitializing home link by clearing all settings and then reprogramming only the button you need for reliable operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.